We have all accidentally deleted files from our cell phone and it has been difficult for us to recover them. The solution is very easy and we do not need a computer. These applications recover deleted files from your cell phone and even internal micro SD memory. GT File Recovery. Scan the internal and external memory of your device, recover images in different formats and even photos that have been deleted before installing the application on your cell phone. Undeleter. Recovers music, videos, images, even messages and call logs and WhatsApp conversations. It has a secure erase option that allows you to erase permanently and massively, directly through any application. Disk Digger. You can restore lost photos. Recovered files can send them directly to Google Drive, Dropbox or send them by mail. Or you can save them in a different folder. Dr. Phone. A complete recovery that also works on tablets, retrieves photos, videos, messages, call history and contacts. Google Photos. You probably already have this application installed on your phone. You can take advantage of this application, which is to have unlimited space in the cloud, thus creating a backup copy of all your photos. It also has the paper option, so you can see the files that you have deleted in the last 60 days.